Cool. I already have it.
Thank God you had the tool.
If you've got an E30, hit them up. They're real good, real professional, real nice website. Really, really good customer service. You wouldn't believe how many times I've called them. Actually, I'm sure you would because you've been watching this build and you can pretty much see how clueless I am. And just for the record, we are not sponsored by Garagistic. They're just a really good company. Garagistic. The carpet's black.
The carpet is black.
And they've seen the gold sparkly underbody that you girls created.
That was my decision, and I was very proud of it.
You're a 16-year-old girl.
Internet?
Congratulations.
Hey, you see that? The gold underbody was him, not me. Please don't hate me.
I hate him though, because he's just an idiot. Definitely the E30.
You go first, Ho.
Oh, you're going through the back.
No,
I mean,
no,
all
no.
I want to do is die, so it's pretty relatable.
I
You
mean,
still have stuff to keep just shoving her in.
Yeah, and then make sure that you grab that little guy.
I don't know where it is. Oh, make sure
Oh, we forgot to spray
the
stuff.
seats are lined up.
What do you want? Hey!
This looks pretty good, Steve.
yeah, it does. I like it.
It's like
It looks like legit black carpet.
yeah, I was about to say like it looks black.
And it doesn't feel. It feels like carpet. It doesn't
It's like
feel
how's the
crusty.
best way to like describe this? It's
Yeah,
like
perfect.
It's like the soft side of Velcro.
Yeah.
Hi. Ew. It's uncomfortable when both of you are out here.
I'm here for
I feel that.
Why are you up?
I'm here for Instagram. I was just
He's
getting a
here for
poll.
I just
Wait, you said it was good that was here?
no.
Oh.
Don't you have something you could be doing?
Yeah.
He is.
You
He
see how
actually
cool the
just, hey, come
carpet
here.
is on the E30?
Yeah, look. It
that
actually
what
looks
you
pretty
did?
good.
Yeah. I have witness on camera.
He did do good. I ain't even mad at him.
It looks good,
I did the pass.
and I hope it stays that color.
It will.
We just won't ever touch the carpet.
I can't believe how well this came out.
I can't believe it's not butter.
It's because it's not butter and it sucks.
You got it?
Tight jeans.
Dude, you gotta get these flexi jeans.
Dude, they are. Look at.
No, these are flexi. Look at this. These are not normal jeans. This is amazing. Thank you, Mom. Thank you. You know what these are?
Bushes.
You know for where though?
Don't tell me. Motor mounts. No, under the car. Rear.
I'll give you a clue. It's E46 related.
Front controllers. Ooh.
Pushes them out.
Yeah, adds track. Brother, that's an E36 trick too.
It's an E30 M3 standard apparently. Yeah. These bad boys go in here and then they push the lower control arm out about a ½ an inch.
So it adds track with and camber.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Technically subtracts camber.
Oh, right. Yeah. More or less camber. Right.
Yes, more or less camber.
Okay. Focus on me. Ba, bang,
just,
boom.
Claire, just stand in the background. Just stand in the background.
All right, so we're gonna walk in circles so they get away from us. So, steering wheel on the E30, road defined. Sent us a steering wheel. It's a nice steering wheel. I'm excited to do it. Oh, all right. Heisman. Okay. Oh man, we need like a Torx bit. Yo, banker.
Paying. You're like, oh no, I got it.
You got it. She's gonna take a minute.
Oh god, I know how to look.
Okay, so now this comes right off. Now this is a really sketchy part. I'm plugging
The red wire or the white wire?
I'm plugging the airbag.
I'm.
like how
Yeah,
you're facing
don't.
it towards Steve.
Yeah, don't face it at
It's
me,
gonna be a
dude.
hell of a clip.
I'm just trying to see how this. Okay. Oh, we're good.
Ooh.
Stick this under martinis.
Yeah. Main thing is that it needs to be straight. Okay, this thing locks it right away. And then it's still like kind of crooked. That's
Yeah, that's
pretty
perfect.
straight.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Big ol' hub Johnny right here. It's a 22. Got an extendo. And that just covers it. So we're gonna come on with the there we go. And we're gonna oh perfect. Now wow, this already came off. Normally it's really tough. It's really tough to take the steering wheel off, so you gotta like hit it a couple times, you know, hit it around the edges, start yanking on it. But I think this comes right out already, so all you gotta do is do that. Okay, maybe I'm wrong, hold on. Ah! I was so confident this thing was just gonna come right off. Oh! Ah! No, wait for me! All right, some TLC. Okay, so it goes in. There's like something stopping it. Good thing the shirt is keeping me clothed at fitmentindustries.com/ I don't know if we have a URL, apparel maybe? You'll see, it's in the store section. It's a really nice, we think there was something blocking it. You can tell because when you go here and then go, moves, but it feels like there's something stopping it. It's not just splines. If you put the key, this is so weird, in the first position, that easy, and then it's off.
Can we see what the locking?
Oh, it's this up
yeah.
here. Here, can you see that? Look at it. So this is with it off.
Hang on.
So this is the mechanism that stops your steering wheel from moving when you have the car in park or off.
Yeah, so this is off, first position. God, we are so dumb.
Yup.
All right. Looking at this, Johnny. I still don't know what I'm doing. This has got to go in for electronic purposes, I think. So that needs to go there. And then this needs to flow through that. And then come true. Okay, so now we're gonna not line up any of the holes apparently. There we go. Okay. Okay, hold on. There we go. Back up a little bit. Line that up. Giggle.
Party hard.
Work with children, as Alex would say. Oh man, that's getting tight. I think we're missing something, like this washer we should have put back on. That looks so good. Yeah, these super nice. See if I can get a detail shot of it. They're really nice. The spokes, I believe, they look like they're mimicking the design. I believe that's what it's doing. I don't know, something super different, not your typical like slits or dots or whatever. Super track style. This thing's really nice. The Alcantara is so soft. Steering wheels overall are pretty easy to put on. You just got to make sure you kind of know the ropes. I don't know if we explained this well enough on what to do, but I mean overall it's really easy install. This fits so well inside the E30 with the black and everything. Yeah, this should be cool. This should be really cool. Ooh, we put the carpet back in. That was awesome. Turned out really good, actually. We got the new road defined steering wheel. God, that is like such a timeless looking wheel.
It looks so good.
That is nice. Yeah, so I think we're gonna paint the brakes at some point, and that's about it, right? We didn't do anything else?
Not this week.
Cool. Well, if I'm the one doing the outro then too, we sell wheels, tires, and suspension. You know, we got silvers, some stuff on there. Fitmentindustries.com. Don't be afraid to look. You know, we don't bite. We're nice people. Besides that, I think we're done. So tune into the next E30 episode. Don't forget that we're also doing as low as 0% financing through the month of January through Affirm. And we're doing a giveaway with wheels, with Cosmis wheels. We're getting the XT, so easiest way to enter, is you're gonna go on our website. You can buy a t-shirt, real good looking t-shirt, real 80s, 90s vibe, whatever. And that's the easiest way to enter. Then you can win a set of wheels. You're entered to win a set of XT206Rs through Cosmis Racing. And good luck to everyone who enters. It's going to be a cool giveaway. Really cool shirt, whatever. Fitmentindustries.com, and I'll see you later. Peace.